Hello viewers, welcome to Spirotech 365. In the last 3 episodes, we have discussed 15 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Today we are going to tell you 5 more tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. In the first tip, we are going to learn how to select multiple clips and move them. So to do this, we need to press Shift and select left click by mouse to these clips, and we can move easily to forward or backward, or we can simply select by dragging the mouse, the left click of mouse, and move them forward or backward. The easiest and most convenient way is that by pressing Shift, which clip we want to move. So this is our first tip. So in the second tip, we are going to learn about some buttons in Adobe Premiere Pro, which is toggle track output and mute and solo button. You can turn off the visibility of these clips by pressing left click on the mouse, just like this. Or if you want to turn off all of these toggle track output buttons at the same time, you can press Shift and left click. It will turn off all the track output. Similarly, you can turn on by pressing Shift plus left click. This is for Windows. You can also turn on the solo track, so it will be played only this one and not playing the other track. If you left click this solo layer, it will only play this one, not playing other. If you press Shift and click this one, it will turn on every layer. Similarly, you can mute all the audio tracks by pressing Shift plus left click. It will mute all the audio layer. The third tip is you need to turn on the snap button in the timeline for edit quickly. Suppose you want to move this clip to here to there, it will automatically go to the snap to the clip where we want to place. If we turn off snap, then we need to adjust, and it is very hard to match the previous clips or next clip. For more faster editing, we need to turn on snap button, so it will, if we move this clip to the previous one, it will automatically place in the position easily. For sometimes we want the clip some gap, so we can turn off the snap button and keep some gap between the clips, but it is sometimes require more times if we want to place two clips together without the snap button. For long videos like podcast or interviews or something like that, to play the video quickly, we can use J, K and L shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. By pressing L, it will quickly move to the forward. By pressing K, it will pause, and by pressing J, it will go to the backward. And by pressing K, it will pause again, and by pressing L, it will move forward to the faster. And if we press more L again, it will move faster again. And if we press L again, it will faster the videos more. We can pause by K. And if we want to go to the backward, we can do this by pressing J. It will go to the backward. If we want to more speed in backward, we can press J again. Tip number 5 is you can change the duration of the photo from preferences timeline from here, default duration. You can do this by, let's say, 2 seconds. So when you drag this to here, the default duration was 5 seconds. We have changed it to 2 seconds. So when we drag this one to timeline layers of video 3, it will automatically set to the duration of 2 seconds. We can change the level of these photos from here by choosing our label colors. So this is the 5 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. For more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.